Y'all know the easiest way to use these little jacks? You ain't gotta sit there and crank a little handle and turn it around and around and around. Get you a good size impact wrench and do just like this. So there you go. I know the video is really shaky, but that's because I was trying to do it all with one shot. But yeah, slap your little impact wrench. Just get one with a nut big enough that it'll get a cross of some sort on there, and crank it right up. Works like a champ. Even this little 18 volt XRP does just fine. So give it a shot. Save yourself a lot of time jacking up a car.